Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily refresh Wi-Fi network on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to settings. Now in the settings, let me quickly go here. In the settings, you will be able to basically go to the connection, now to the network. And here in the network configuration, we need to select the connection type to wireless and then simply click refresh. Now it will search for any Wi-Fi network that's close to us and we will be able to connect to networks. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.